What, you want to do the off-road shuffle? This is the road. Let's do it. Look at the adventure bikes are on the highway. Look at the Lowrider S. We're gonna go do it. Let's do it. No outlet. We'll put this stabilization Hero 9 to the test right here. Now for the refrigeration guys watching this, there used to be a Girl Scout camp back here, Camp Skylark Camp. I used to service the walk-in box back here. But what I'm seeing, man, it looks like it probably burned out. Let's see how far back we can get here and see if it's still here. Shit, if it's there and I make it out there, I might as well give them a business card, right? I haven't even thought about servicing these guys. When I left the shop in town I worked for, it was their account. And this road right here is a fire break, but the camp was on this side. But let's see what we get into back here. Yeah, my memory's coming back. So yeah, you would come around like this, and I remember that area right there, you come around and then into the camp. Maybe they saved it. How freaking cool would that be? Look at the Lowrider S, thinking it's a Pan American right now. I'm only short like 75 horsepower. The road right here was definitely a fire break. See, everything's burned up on this side, and then on this side it's green. We got, I mean, we didn't get much rain this winter, but there's enough to where the creek's still flowing. Skylark, here we are. I think it burned down, you guys. Oh yeah. Look at all the trees up there just burned. Look at this thing. Look at this big ass tree right here. All burned. Oh yeah, the road's all shitty right here too. Look at this. Let me get on this side. This is all metal plates we're riding over. Yeah, that's why I'm bogging. I'm in second gear. Get that thing in first gear, NorCal. The road's actually in really good shape. Probably from all the fire crews. But yeah, this is what burned up this summer. Burned up big time. Those power lines right there, I can't tell if those are still down or not. Look, you can see the creek running right here. Look at a little waterfall. Check it out. Yeah, those power lines are all burned up still. See, we get a shot of the waterfall right there. You want to see how sick progress is? Yeah, progress. Human mankind. Watch this. I'm gonna make you guys freaking laugh. I'm gonna get out of this beautiful ride right here. I'm gonna make a right-hand turn on the highway into these eucalyptus trees. You can get a cocktail at the bar right there. Watch this. No, you don't believe me? All right, let's. Oh, I could have taken the dirt road shortcut. God dang it. Yeah, watch this. Yeah, let's turn around and do the dirt road shortcut. Come on. Good on the highway, that's stupid. Okay, watch this. Alright, shortcut. The freeway's right there. You could have got on the freeway, but you could do this. Yeah, progress. Well, I'm not making it up. I'm serious. See? Shortcut. What they did was they built this, and I remember when I serviced the Girl Scout camp up there, they built this campground over here. Like, it's not a resort, but it's a campground. If you ever come up here, it's really nice. And I think there's some cabins, and you can put your tent and your trailer. They have a restaurant and a bar. And when they built the, it's funny, when they built this here, the people at the Girl Scout camp told me there used to be a group of coyotes that lived in here, and it pushed them all up there, and then it went up there and ate all their chickens. And they never had a coyote problem before. And then when they built this, this place is really nice, check it out. When they built this in here, the coyotes went up there and ate all their chickens. Yeah, look at this. Like, you could stay in these little cabins right here. Look at these things. You guys can come out here and get your motorcycle on and go to little cabins and whatnot. And this is progress. I'll see if I got my face diaper. There we go, 20-minute parking. They got a little general store right there. And they got the restaurant, the bar. See, no dogs allowed. Look at this place. Shit, let's see if we can get a margarita. Order window. Can't go inside, so you gotta use a window. Look at this. All right, not bad. 14 buckers for a margarita with a mezcal float on the top. That's a cool road. I like to ride up there. The Girl Scout camp was back there. Like I said, they put this this campground right here, which is cool. It's a nice place. When you come take your vacation here, it's pretty epic. I mean, just look at this place. You can see the big meadow out there. I bet you guys would like to sit back here and smoke a big old doobie and then play that big old giant chess game. Look at giant chess. I don't even know if I remember how to play chess. I had a chess class in 8th grade. I knew how to play back then. I don't know about it anymore. Killer fire pit right here. Let's go check this margarita out. You get the little pickup window. Oh, damn. It's looking good, looking good. Look at this thing.